What is AI hallucination? When AI confidently makes things up. An AI hallucination is when the model confidently produces false information that sounds completely real. The grammar is perfect, the tone is sure, and the facts are wrong. Why does this happen? 3 structural reasons. Training compresses messy human knowledge into model weights. Lossy. Next token prediction is probabilistic, so output can drift off the rails, and no LLM has a real I don't know option. It always commits to something. Here is the anatomy of a hallucination. You ask a specific, niche question. The model has a knowledge gap. It wasn't in training data. It picks the next most likely word anyway. Each word locks in and constrains the next. The result is a confident fiction that reads like fact. 3 flavors you'll see in the wild: made-up facts and statistics, convincing numbers totally invented; wrong or fully invented citations, URLs that don't exist, papers nobody wrote, and confidently confuse logic. The model contradicts itself mid-paragraph without noticing. How do you fight hallucination? Mostly with RAG. A plain LLM answers from compressed memory, can't verify itself, and cites sources that don't exist. A RAG-powered system pulls real documents first, grounds the answer in actual text, cites the real source, and admits when something isn't in the data. 3 ways to fight hallucination in your own apps. Use RAG whenever the answer must be grounded in real facts. Ask the same question twice and compare. If the answers contradict, the model is guessing. And constrain the output format, JSON, with required fields gives the model less room to drift. That is AI hallucination, a feature of how LLMs work, not a bug to be patched away. Next episode, what is temperature and why does it change the answer?